6:30 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Eaton, or near Robinson, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Robinson around 3:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Palestine and Hudsonville. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KXI 47 in Paris. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Florida.